So this is Maple and this is Hazel, and they're hopefully going to be well behaved. First of all, I do have a selection of brushes here. There's quite a few different things that are on the market, and ultimately it's just finding what works best for yourself and for your dog. Personally, I tend to like, for these guys, using a small human toothbrush, so either a baby's or a toddler's brush. The key things that I look for are that the bristles are extra soft. We don't want a medium or a hard bristle because they can be too abrasive for the dog's teeth. They do have a thinner enamel coating on the teeth than we do, and what I've found is they also just don't tolerate the harder bristles as well as the softer bristles. The other thing is finding something that fits well in your hand. It needs to be something that's ergonomic, and also the head of the brush needs to be something that's appropriately sized for your pet. And given that we have dogs that are from anywhere from a couple of kilos up to 50 or 60 kilos, you might find that a baby's toothbrush is the right size, or an adult's toothbrush is the right size if you have a bigger dog such as a Labrador or the likes of that. For these guys, the toddler's brush seems to be a good size. There are some pet-specific ones. For me, they don't work very well in my hands, but you might find that they're sort of suitable for you. We have these ones that are like a triangle that are designed to sort of basically run over the entire tooth surface in one go. For me, I find the head's often a little bit too bulky to easily fit in the mouth itself, and they're just a little bit more confronting having that coming at your face. There's also these that are, I think, more designed to be sort of a catch-all in terms of a smaller end and a larger end to appeal to different sizes of dogs. Again, for me, I find the angle just a little bit difficult to use, but again, if they work for you, they're great as well. The other things that I've got here are essentially what I would consider training aids. So this one here is a little sock that's made of microfiber that goes over the end of the finger. This is something that I've found really useful in terms of acting as a training aid to introduce brushing. Ultimately, it's something that we want to graduate on from once our pets are comfortable, simply because the real action is from the bristles of the brush, and we want to remove the plaque from the actual gum line and slightly under the gum margin. That's where, I guess, the disease or periodontal disease occurs, and that's where the bristles of the brush are going to be much more effective than something that's soft and flat. The next sort of thing I've got here is a little finger brush. These are often made of a soft plastic or silicone and have small little sort of knobs or bristles on the end. Again, I'd consider this the next step up from the microfiber brush in terms of it being a training aid again. It's something that sort of, again, just allows your pet to sort of get used to things in a stepwise progression, but is still not quite as effective as an actual brush in cleaning their teeth.